Every day, tons of fresh fruits arrive at the factory. The fruits are carefully selected to ensure only the best quality is used.
The juice is filtered, and depending on the recipe, ingredients like water, sugar, or vitamins are added. The juice is quickly heated. This destroys harmful bacteria. It preserves its flavor and quality. Finally, the juice bottles are packed into cartons and shipped to stores around the world.
Would you drink juice straight from the factory? Follow for more amazing factory videos.